Hey guys, this is Melissa from the House of Platypus, and I have a really quick video for you today. I just want to show you my Erin Condren Spring Seasonal Surprise Box. If you are into these, you've probably already seen what is in this. Erin Condren did kind of a spoiler video. So I already know what's in here, but just in case you didn't see, I thought I would do a quick video. I was pretty excited to actually get this today. We are in the middle of a blizzard, and my daughter was outside shoveling some snow off the sidewalk, and the mail lady stopped and handed her my box, and she said she's not delivering mail today, but she wanted to make sure I got my package, so I was excited to get it. And honestly, this is the best condition I've ever gotten one of these boxes in. You can turn them inside out and reuse them, and I've never had one come in good enough shape to reuse. So I'm gonna pull this out of here. This is just the card that shows what's exclusive and what is not, and you can see there's not a lot in here as far as some of the surprise boxes go. This is probably one of the smaller boxes, but like I said, there's some good stuff in here. First, we have this pencil case or pencil pouch, and this is a sneak peek. That means that this will be available on the website. It looks denim. It's actually a vinyl. It's just printed. It feels really cool. It's got the gold hardware, and there are a couple of pencils in here. I've actually never used the Erin Condren pencils. I've always passed them on to my daughter, so I don't really know if I like them or not. Maybe I'll keep these for myself. And there is a coupon in here for 25% off. It looks like any writing utensils, which Erin Condren did announce that they are coming out with some new pens. So that'll be nice. So there's the inside of that. Next, we have some note cards. These are always nice to get. I'm a snail mail person. I like to just have cards on hand, you know, just to send a note, or if you forget somebody's birthday or something. And the note cards are also a sneak peek, so those will be available on the website. These are adhesive patches. My daughter was actually kind of excited about these. She's a teenager, so this is kind of her thing, but since they are adhesive, I thought this would be kind of fun to even like decorate, like, you know, my bullet journal. I don't know, there's just a lot of different things. Here they show it on the cover of the planner, so that's kind of fun, something different. This is also a sneak peek. I always like when they include a sticker sheet. This is exclusive to the box, and this has, these umbrellas are super cute. Just kind of some springy, April showers bring me flowers. Oh, and there's some functional stickers on the back too, so that's cool. But yeah, I always appreciate that. And then there is this cover. It's the denim. It's actually, I can't remember the name of the pattern, but there's another cover that they just blew up the pattern to and added it to denim, I guess. It's got some gold accents, but I love when they include covers in these seasonal surprise boxes, just because it is kind of fun to change them out seasonally, and this kind of takes the guesswork out of it. So this is probably not something I would have necessarily like picked out myself, but that's kind of what's fun about it, is it forces you out of your comfort zone a little bit. So I am excited to use that. And last but not least is this reusable shopping tote bag in the painted petals. Apparently people have been complaining about this because they gave reusable shopping bags away for free when they opened the retail store. I don't get that. I mean, for one thing, the painted petals pattern is exclusive, so if you didn't get a seasonal surprise box, you can't get one of these. Plus, I mean, it's still a bag. I don't know, I use these. I'm super excited to use this for the farmer's market. It's got the little elastic band on it, so you can wrap that back up. So there is my seasonal surprise box. Like I said, super short here. I'm not gonna I won't go on and on about this, but I just wanted to show you what was in here. I was really excited to get this. I've been kind of organizing and compartmentalizing some of my different pens and markers lately. So that will definitely come in handy. So I believe these are sold out on the website. I'm not sure, but I'll leave the link below. You can always sign up to get the next one. It's $35 shipped quarterly. And like I said, it's just, I don't know, it's just something fun. And you do get some exclusive products in there. So I don't know. I enjoy getting them. I'm not big into subscription boxes because I'm always afraid it's a bunch of stuff I'm never going to use. But these are always a fun surprise. So go ahead and check out all the links I have below. If you've never ordered from Erin Condren before, I do have a referral code for $10 off of your first order. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.